Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, welcome. We're filming at a different angle because this is a different kind of Smash Our Stash video. For Smash Our Stash, every month, Bourbon Creek Crafts chooses a theme for us. This month is free choice. And usually with free choice, I get really gung-ho and start planning and working. And what happened is the video snuck up on me. So I'm packing up to go to the beach, and I was trying to figure out, what do I need to smash? And when it came down to it, I have a journal cover, another journal cover, another journal cover, the inside of a journal with no plan for the cover, and a UFO journal that was a gift from my friend Andrea, unfinished objects. So these are all unfinished objects. What I've done is I've bagged them and said, okay, these are journals that I want to work on. I'm going to smash them. I want to clean out some shelves, and I'll put a clip at the end that is a peek behind the scenes so you can kind of see how this started out. I don't have the finished product because I am going to pack the car for the beach right after this happens. But I wanted to show you that I took a messy cabinet and I put it into, these are things that I'm going to work on. Now, what I am struggling with a little bit, if you've watched my packing videos before and stuff, sometimes I'm super organized and I say, oh, Thursday at the beach, I'm going to work on this, and Friday, I'm going to work on this, and I bring all the right stuff and I unpack the boxes in order. I have not had enough free time to think about that, let alone actually pack it. But what I am thinking is, I know I have some blue stuff in a pile. I always have some blue, so we're covered. I have one iris case that is full to the brim that I want to make travel journals out of. So I think I could bring that for this. The nature journal, I'm wavering on a little bit because I have 2 iris cases and all sorts of stuff and some fun stuff that Bourbon Creek Crafts sent me that I think would be fun because it's vintage. And then the UFO journal, I was already going to bring my dog stuff because Noni and I are going to do a bunch of die cutting of dogs. And they have tiny pieces, like crazier than snowmen. So it'll be fun to see how those turn out. So I'm not sure, am I going to bring this much for a weekend? Because if I bring those nature journal bins, I'm sure I'm going to end up with too many. I would have loved to prep these like Gail Augustinelli does before she goes away, where she has a bag and maybe she doesn't bag it, but each one, it kind of has the parts all together. I didn't get that far. I need to pack the car. Tomorrow is a busy day at work, and then Noni and I are heading out. I am definitely going to take this bag. I'm just not convinced I'm going to take all the stuff that I think I may need to go with it. I have to have room for my friend. And she's going to want to bring crafting stuff. So I just wanted to show you sort of how I approached this. And these were things that were mixed into my room, weren't on a calendar, weren't on a plan, and some of them I had completely forgotten about. So I hope that inspires you to look around in your piles or your craft bin, or pull out, even if it's just one box under a bed, pull it out and see what's in there and play with it. And when I get back from the beach, I'll show you what I actually made. Thanks so much for watching. Here's the behind the scenes clip. Don't forget to check out the other collaborators. You can follow the hashtag to make that happen. This is a behind the scenes look at Smash Our Stash. I was thinking about the Smash Our Stash collaboration. It's the 7th of each month, and for May, it's free choice. What should I do? Usually I have a great time on free choice month and I plan way ahead. But last night I was thinking about this paper cabinet. And when I brought this home, I was so excited and I just filled it with junk. Some of my shelves are labeled Nature Journal. Oh, that's a surprise to me. Had forgotten. Andrea UFO. Joya Blue giveaway. Funny, I sent the stuff out and then put more stuff on there and forgot. So we can go ahead and pull that off. I don't know what this category is. This stuff was in a container, but I needed it. So I took it and dumped it in there. That looks like it might be journal covers, right? Big envelopes and stuff. All sorts of journal. It looks like mostly journals. So what I was thinking was, for Smash Our Stash, maybe I would start working some of these UFO shelves and kind of get a plan and figure out how can I actually get these to the right place so they're either stored, like there's beautiful, I think this is category of stuff I brought home and was gonna play with and then put here and forgot. Anyway, how can I get those in line to get used up? Get that journal from Andrea finished up, get some of these moving along. Maybe not to done, but maybe put in what I would call kits for myself or penciled into the calendar or something. And like, looks like there's a stack of tea or coffee dyed here, and then there's some here, and I don't know what the difference is or why. And this box is overflowing, so I might want to work on some clusters and stuff. So this is behind the scenes before. If it looks different, you'll see an after.